Flat Earth versus logic and common sense. Who will win this battle? The suspense is killing us. Well, not really. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into the drama. Let's consider both the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle in both the spherical Earth and the flat Earth models. First, let's focus on the main characteristic of these parallels. At any point with a latitude greater than that of the polar circle, there is at least one day of the year when the sun remains above the horizon for 24 consecutive hours. In the Antarctic Circle, it's during the austral summer solstice, which is the longest day of the year in the southern hemisphere. On this day, the sun does not set, a phenomenon known as the midnight sun. In other words, throughout Antarctica, which is almost entirely south of the Antarctic Circle, there would be no nighttime zone. It is more than evident that on a flat Earth this is impossible, as it would require the entire outer rim without exception to be illuminated. According to their model, this is deemed impossible. Now, let's focus on the dimensions of the polar circles. The Arctic Circle would measure the same on both the real Earth and the flat Earth model. However, the differences are more than noticeable in the Antarctic Circle. According to the official model, the Antarctic Circle measures around 20,000 kilometers, approximately 12,500 miles. To calculate the perimeter of that same parallel in the flat Earth model, it's sufficient to apply basic calculations, the kind even your pet goldfish could master. The length of the Antarctic Circle would surpass by far 100,000 kilometers, more than 62,000 miles. Yes, you heard it right. If we were to calculate distances on a flat Earth, the journey from South Africa to Sydney, for instance, would defy all known distances measured and traveled by airplanes. The distances would be so vast, it would be impossible for current aircraft to make the journey without stopping to refuel several times. In fact, the total distance to travel would surpass 50,000 kilometers, approximately 31,000 miles, making it logistically implausible for any direct flight. However, in reality, flights from Johannesburg to Sydney happen regularly, covering a distance of around 11,000 kilometers, 6,900 miles, and taking around 12 hours in agreement with the spherical Earth model. These revelations are just a taste of the mountain of evidence proving our world is not a flat frisbee in space. Instead, it's a dynamic sphere we all call home. Embrace the beauty of our spherical Earth and let the evidence lead where it may. Always remember, our understanding of the world shapes our place in the universe.